Hello, how does it here? In today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix any issues and problems with booking that come up on the iOS. So in the beginning of the video I'm gonna tell you there's 3 ways to do this. First way, the most common way, is maybe you just don't have the updated app. So you find your booking app. Here we go, and there is the open bar, but if the update's available, there should be the update bar. If you updated the app and still got the issue, the next way is go to the settings, scroll all the way down, go apps, go here, search, and you search booking. We got our booking app. We take, and you need to change every settings to the fabric settings. Like here, Siri, fabric, search, fabric, notifications should be fabric. Don't need to. Background refresh should. Allow tracking, you don't need to, and language doesn't matter. So after this, if you set all the settings to the fabric and still got some issues, the last way is just take your booking app, remove the app, and just reinstall the app. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.